Hi, it's Brandy Taylor, the founder of Exquisite Looks, and I'm going to show you my quick tips for how to apply lashes. We're going to be applying our Exquisite Looks lashes today, the Exquisite Lash. So you can find all the products at Xquisitelooks.com. Here it goes.
Today we're going to apply a pair of the Exquisite Looks lashes, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to apply them. These are the Exquisite lashes. These lashes are 3D lashes, 16 millimeters. The first thing you want to do is measure the lashes. By simply just placing the lash on your lash line and checking to see if you need to cut any of the lash. Once you measure the lashes, then you cut off the excess. I like to cut off the inner corner because sometimes there's usually a little bit of a pointy piece on the inner corner part of the lash and a little bit of the outer corner, and then I measure again to make sure I have the perfect fit. The second step is making sure that you get a generous amount of glue. I find that most times when people apply their eyelashes, they don't put enough glue on the lash line, which causes their lashes to lift and move throughout the day. So the key to avoiding that is to make sure you have enough glue on the lash. Now we're going to go in and measure the other eye. Same thing, you just place it on the lash line and make sure it's a good fit and see where you need to trim it. You trim off the excess, measure it again. Then you're going to add a generous amount of glue to the lashes, and you want to wait 30 to 60 seconds for the lash glue to become tacky.
A few minutes later.
Now that the glue is tacky, you're going to apply the lash to your lash line, as close to the lash line as possible. Once you do that, you just want to make sure your placement is correct. And then you want to go in with your tweezer and you want to make sure that your lashes are blended up with the false lashes. Now we're going to do the same thing on the next eye. We already have the glue tacky, so we're going to apply the lash to the lash line. Making sure we get it perfectly seated on her lash line so that everything looks seamless. Then we're going to take the tweezer, make sure we get as close to that lash line as possible. And then we're going to blend her lashes and squeezing them together with the false lashes so that we make sure that they are secure. Now we want to apply a couple of coats of mascaras to your lashes. You don't want to get too much mascara on the false lashes because these are reusable lashes and you want to use them as many times as you possibly can. But you can clean them with a little hot water, but I recommend just getting the mascara on your lashes and blending them up with the false lashes. And then you're done. And now this is the finished look with the Exquisite Lash. You can get these lashes at Xquisitelooks.com.